Hello and welcome to the Undeliverable emails tutorial. So first we're going to start off by opening up our email and going to the undeliverable email. So what we're going to do is, as you can see, we're going to copy and paste the email that says it's undeliverable. We're going to go into the database and we are going to search up the email in question. So we'll put it in candidate and then we will search it up there. We found the profile, J. William Langston. As you can see, this is the correct profile. So we are going to delete the email that was not working. Hit save because we know that that email is not working. And so now what we are going to do is we are going to search up this person to find a new email if they have a new email, or if that email that was in there already is a correct email. So right now we are typing J. William Langston Neurology, and so you can see that he is in the Parkinson's Institute. So we found this website. Doesn't really give us a lot of information about his email, so because that's what we're trying to find out. We're trying to find an updated email. So I'm just doing a quick highlighted search. So what I will do is I'll hit Control F and I'm just going to type in Langston to see if something pops up with his email. And then I found that he's the director, but there's really no information or email. So I'm just going backspace on all of this. And then I found his LinkedIn. So I'm just going to copy and paste his LinkedIn profile because that's something that we will need in his profile as well. So I just added that first in the wrong spot, but then there's a LinkedIn specific spot right there where you can add the link. So, and then I'm going to just copy and paste what his title is and his job, and then I'm going to hit save. And there's also an extension, Apollo. It didn't work for me this time, but this works for LinkedIn where you can find emails. So it's a free download if that is something you guys are interested in. You can download that as well. So now I'm going to this website and I am going to look up J. William Langston here. So it didn't I just typed in William this time, but then I refined my search. And I know that he's in California, so I did California and didn't really find much here, and so I refined my search one more time and I just did J. William instead of the dot. And I think I found him. The first one right here. I will open that report here. And I can see here that this is the correct profile, so I'm just going to scroll down. I see the LinkedIn, I see all these websites that are useful, phone numbers, and then I find possible emails. So we know he's at the Parkinson Institute, but the last email was incorrect. So I copy and paste this email and check to see if it's the same undeliverable. It was not. So I'm going to go ahead and do the semicolon, space, and then enter this email. And then I just did one more just in case. Did another semicolon, space, and then enter this, and then you're going to hit save. Then you can go back to the email with that undeliverable and you're going to delete it just so we know that it's done. So I went to the second email, copied and pasted. I'm doing the same thing. Search, went to candidates, search, and then in the email, and hit enter. And I click on this profile, and I copy his first name and enter this. And I go try to find this. So it seems like this person is retired. I just took me a second to realize that this person is retired. You can see up in the top right corner it says they are retired. Might have passed away, so we're just kind of looking through to see. So I just delete the email and I hit save. And then I go and delete that email. And here's one last example. Same thing, candidate search, go to the email. I realize I copied and pasted the wrong. Oops. Okay, I found John R. Adams. Just want to make sure that the email to jr.adams is incorrect. So I went ahead and deleted that, and I'm going to hit save because there is a second email there. Adams Neurology. So I just type in his name and neurology because we're looking at neurologists right now. And when I go back to his profile, it'll let me know that he's based in Ontario, Canada. And so this website doesn't work for Canada, so I realized that this doesn't work. I thought maybe they would do like out of state, but I still searched just in case. There's the potential that, Canada does show up. That doesn't really work. So I just keep this email and deleted the old one. As you can see, I'm still looking through to see if I can find this email, obviously, because we have no email that states this is undeliverable. I just keep this email in. And I copy and paste this because the new address. I copy and paste that, and then I know he's a neurologist. So I'm just going to put in his title as well under the work information. So I go back here and then just type in neurologist. And I spelled neurologist wrong, but that's okay. And then you go ahead and delete that. And that is how you update undeliverables.